grow and connect with one another. We ask that you guide us during this program and help us to be open to new experiences and opportunities. May this event be a time of joy, learning, and fellowship. May we learn from each other, grow in our knowledge and understanding, and connect with one another in deeper and meaningful ways. We pray for everyone who have worked hard to prepare for this program. We ask that you may bless their efforts and may they feel appreciated for their hard work and dedication. We also remember those who are able.
Congress. Huwag ipasabot, mamong mga liang karoon, dahil kami na-focus na rin. Akin po magsaisita. Pero kita mga liang karoon, mga puros, sabihin kaya ng puros. Ikaw, ingon ko, dalikiyak sa kapitinig, pinipili ko ng personal, kaanayan mo sa Baptist Congress. Kapatay mo ang simbahan, supak sa pagalitan na naman.